Back up some more. Anytime you're ready. God damn. That was pretty wild, wasn't it? Didn't go up very high, but it sure did fucking do a lot. Damn, we got a lot of flames going on over here. What the hell made it go do that? Like that, I wonder.
Pull it slow, maybe?
Oh, did you pull it slow?
Yeah.
Yeah, you pulled it. You're a yank.
I was afraid if I didn't, it would.
Oh. I didn't think about telling you about that, though. Yeah, that's all right, though. It made an unusual one, man. It made a big, but like an extended one, kind of like, you know?
Yeah.
It's kind of like extended. Yeah. It's pretty cool.